Welcome to the Spanish Trio channel. Okay, the channel will eventually evolve into purely a Spanish channel, but at the very beginning it's going to be English and Spanish, a mix of both, to be able to explain as you go along. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to teach our kids the vowels, right? So the Spanish vowels are 5. A, armadillo. E, elfo. I, iglú. O, octágono. U, unicornio. After you show them the words, what you want to do is you want to show them the actual picture, right? So, A, armadillo. E, elfo. I, iglú. O, octágono. U, unicornio. Okay, after you show them and you taught them the words for the vowels, what you will do is we're going to cover the basic colors in Spanish. We're going to start with red. Rojo. Rojo. Orange. Naranja. Orange. Naranja. Sometimes it's called also anaranjado. So naranja y anaranjado is orange. Yellow. Amarillo. Yellow. Amarillo. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Blue. Azul. Blue. Azul. Purple. Púrpura. Purple. Púrpura. Sometimes it's also called morado. So morado y púrpura are the same thing. They're both purple. Brown. Marrón o café. Marrón o café. That means it's those two words, they both mean brown. Brown. Marrón, café. Y negro. Black. Okay, after you showed your kids the cards, what you want to do is you want to show them the colors. So we're going to start with red again. Rojo. Naranja, anaranjado. Amarillo, yellow. Amarillo, yellow. Verde, green. Verde, green. Azul, blue. Azul, blue. Púrpura, purple. Púrpura, purple. Marrón, brown. Marrón, brown. Y negro, black. Negro, black. Okay, so after you cover the vowels and you cover the colors, the basic colors, what I'm gonna try to do is, what you want to focus on is expanding the vocabulary for your children. So since we're going to be doing books and learning through reading books and doing fun activities, the first book that we're going to go through is called Su propio color, A Color of His Own, by the author Leo Leoni. So in order to be able to enjoy this book, what we need to do is we need to learn the vocabulary first. So that is what we will focus on. So for the first week, let's hold this up. Okay, so for the first week, this is a short summary of the first week. We covered las vocales, which are the vowels, which A, E, I, O, U. The colors, the basic colors, which are rojo, naranja, amarillo, verde, azul, púrpura, marrón, y negro. Now, you don't have to teach your kids about the tilde, which is the accent. It goes on top of the letters, and it signifies strength in sound. So if you see an accent somewhere, just understand that you need to pronounce strength in that either vowel or letter. The vocabulary that you're going to learn in the next 2 weeks is below. Let's go. The first one is going to be loros, which are parrots. Loro is for one parrot. The second one is going to be algunos, some. The third one is going to be peces, fish. Pez would be one fish. The fourth word is going to be elefantes, elephants. Elefante, elephant. And the final word will be cerdos, pigs. Cerdo, pig, one pig. And what you want to focus on is slowly expanding the vocabulary for your kids. So we want to slowly teach them words, and also you may want to get some toys for them and show them the words. So one more time, we're going to go over the words that we're going to learn for the next 2 weeks. Loros, loro, algunos, peces, pez, elefantes, elefante, cerdos, cerdo. Okay, well, that is it. So just remember, until you feel like your kids have learned this material and they understand it and they can pronounce it, don't go to the next week. And that is it. So I guess we'll see you next week, in the next 2 weeks.